In East Pakistan, Miss Fatima Jinnah, the presidential candidate of the combined opposition parties, begins her journey from Dhaka to Mader-e-Millat as cheering crowds bid her Godspeed. Railway platforms en route are crowded with people who listen eagerly to Miss Jinnah. In her speech, she says that she promises the restoration of the direct vote if she is elected president. Amidst thunderous applause, the journey is resumed. At the next stop, Ms. Jinnah says a great responsibility rests with the people, and she is sure they will carry out their responsibility properly by voting for opposition candidates. As the journey progresses, milling crowds turn out to hear Ms. Jinnah. She advises them to carry the message of democracy to every home. Only honest representatives must be returned, she says. She is cheered over and over again. Buildings and rooftops outside railway stations are crowded as people turn up in thousands to listen eagerly to the election speeches of the 70-year-old lady presidential candidate of the combined opposition parties. Here, Miss Jinnah is led to a colourful pandal as she makes another brief stopover. She urges the election of basic Democrats who will vote for the combined opposition party candidates to the assemblies and for herself as President of Pakistan. Mader-e-Millat is the terminal of this phase of Miss Jinnah's election tour, and thousands gather to lead her in procession through the streets of the city. These stirring scenes in which the people of Pakistan participate freely in town and village are evidence of the freedom of assembly and freedom of speech assured to them in the present election campaign.
So those all Moses members, सबसे पहले मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि आप यहाँ बड़ी तादाद में मौजूद हैं। आप लोगों को सबको मालूम है कि ये इलेक्शंस हो रहे हैं और किस नजरिए पे ये इलेक्शंस हो रहे हैं। अवाम ने तो अपना ख्यालात दे चुके हैं। जिधर भी मैं गई हूँ उधर बहुत बड़ी तादाद में, लाखों की तादाद में उन्होंने अपना फैसला कर चुके हैं कि यहाँ पार्लिमानी जमहूरियत कायम होगी। ये वोट आपके हाथ में अमानत है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप ये वोट को एक अमानत समझ के मुल्क के फायदे और कौम के फायदे के लिए इस्तेमाल करना, न कि कोई और चीज के लिए। अगर आप ये नहीं करेंगे तो न सिर्फ कौम को मुसीबत उठानी पड़ेगी मगर आप लोगों को भी।